What observations have you made or did you make as regards the first quarter submission in the physical and financial plan of the DepEd?
Dun sa kanilang physical and financial plan for the first quarter, hindi po naka-indicate yung kanilang specific confidential activities na pagbabasehan po ng kanilang disbursement from the confidential fund.
Nakalagay sa first column, counter-insurgency programs. Did the DepEd submit any evidence on this or documents evidencing what it claims to be expenditures on counter-insurgency programs?
Based on their submissions po, wala po silang sinubmit na document.
And it says here, what was the outcome expected from this? If you can read for the record.
Based on this document po for the counter-insurgency program, ang expected outcome po ay to prevent any recruitment by the NPA and other communist and leftist groups towards teachers and students.
And, Mr. Witness, with this submission, did the DepEd, Department of Education, submit any list of NPAs, communist, or leftist groups?
Based on their submissions po, wala naman po silang sinubmit.
And the next column, a target to eliminate or reduce recruitment of teachers and learners by communist or leftist groups. Any observation on this?
Since hindi po naka-enumerate yung kanilang specific confidential activities, hindi po naka-match yung kanilang physical target on the specific confidential activities na paggagamitan nila ng kanilang fund from
Well-
confidential.
There was no list of teachers, no list of learners, nor list of communist or leftist groups appended to any of the documents submitted by the DepEd, Mr. Witness.
Wala po.
For emphasis, please read the amount here.
The amount po is 9,375,000 pesos.
Okay. We go as well to the second quarter. What observations can you make about the second quarter, Mr. Witness?
Same po with the first quarter, hindi rin po naka-indicate yung kanilang specific confidential activities na kanilang paggagamitan ng magiging basis po ng kanilang disbursements from the confidential fund.
Same observation for the third quarter in terms of physical target, Mr. Witness?
Yes, ma'am.
And the amount, please state for the record, for the second quarter, to eliminate, reduce recruitment of teachers and learners by communist groups or leftist groups. A function of the DepEd? How much was spent by the
For-
DepEd for this function?
For the second quarter po, 9.3 million pesos po.
And for the third quarter?
For the third quarter, 9.2 million pesos po.
Okay. Again, we go now to the second program or activity allegedly conducted by the DepEd. Abuse prevention and control within schools. Mr. Witness, were any documents submitted to show what activities these programs allegedly to prevent abuse and control within schools with the expected objective of reducing abuses against learners? Did the DepEd submit any documents as to list of schools or list of learners or list of or number of abuses?
Based on
Reduce.
their submission po, wala po silang sinubmit na document.
And the third column says, increase community participation in reporting cases against learners. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Yes, ma'am. Based on
And the
this
same
document
is
po.
true for the second quarter and the third quarter, Mr. Witness.
Based on this document po, yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much was spent on this activity to increase community participation? For the first quarter
For the first quarter po, 10 million pesos.
and the second quarter,
For the second quarter, 10,075,000 pesos po.
and for the third quarter, Mr. Witness.
10,125,000 pesos po.
Okay. And for this community participation, totaling for the three quarters, 30 million. Meron bang listahan ng mga communities kung saan na-increase ang participation nila para sa reporting ng abuses ng mga kabataan? May listahan ba na sinabmit ang DepEd dito
Wala po silang sinamit na listahan.
para sa tatlong quarters, Mr. Witness?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Punta naman tayo dito sa number 3. Nakalagay dito, anti-illegal activities operations. Meron bang listahan na binigay ang DepEd? Kung ano-ano itong anti-illegal activities operations?
Based on their submission po, wala po silang binigay na listahan.
Itong nakalagay na illegal activities within schools, may listahan ba ng eskwelahan na binigay?
Wala po silang binigay na listahan.
May linagay ba na ano-ano ang tinatawag ng DepEd na illegal activities?
Pwede pa ulit po ng tanong.
Yung mga activities na sinabi dito sa exhibit, may listahan ba kung ano yung illegal activities na gustong eliminate ng DepEd?
Wala po silang binigay na listahan.
Okay, sa third column, nakalagay, increase and heightened conduct of surveillance activities to prevent illegal activities. Again, Mr. Witness, may listahan ba or document ang sinabmit ng DepEd para patunayan na ginastos nga ito?
Wala po silang sinamit.
And your observation is likewise the same, Mr. Witness, for the second and third quarters. Walang submission na binigay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pakibasa ang amounts involved dito. For the first quarter, ang amount ay
Anong item po, ma'am? Number 3?
number 3, yung tinatawag na anti-illegal activities operations. Magkano? Magkano ang ginastos ng DepEd?
For the first quarter po, 9 million pesos. For the second quarter, 9.1 million pesos. And for the third quarter, 9,140,000 pesos po.
Ano ang arithmetic nun? 9 times 8, almost 30 million.
27,240,000 pesos po.
Nawala, 27 million, nawala namang kasamang document para sabihin kung ano yung mga illegal activities na yan. Lastly, Mr. Witness, anti-extremism at terrorism programs. Extremism and terrorism programs ng DepEd. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Nakalagay dito sa second column,
Your Honor,
pakibasa.
Your Honor
Yung
will
second
object
column.
to the question, anong ibig sabihin? Because obviously this is something submitted by the DepEd and the witness is not competent enough to testify what DepEd meant.
Your Honor, I was just reading it. In fact, there is no question on what is this.
Then I apologize for that. I just heard anong ibig sabihin.
Winidraw ko na yun,
Apa,
Counsel.
sorry.
Sa second column, gather information necessary for the implementation of general peace and order. Peace and order within the department. Within the department. Meron bang sinabmit na documents dito, Mr. Witness?
Anong document po ulit yun, ma'am?
Itong nakalagay dito, to gather information necessary for the implementation of general peace and order within the department. Tama bang basa ko? Hindi within the country. Within their own department. What documents were submitted to evidence this information gathered?
Wala po silang sinamit na document.
Ito, last, please. Intensifies, next column. Intensify background investigation of DepEd personnel and learners involved. Terrorist groups sa campus. Involved in terrorist groups. Mr. Witness, any evidence of this intensification? Pinatibay daw ang background information kasi daw merong terrorist groups sa mga eskwelahan. Ano naman ang dokumentong sinabmit ng DepEd para patunayan? Natunay nga na may terrorist ang mga eskwelahan. Meron ba? Submit the documents.
Wala po silang sinabit.
Okay, and this is the same for the second quarter and the third quarter. You confirm that, Mr. Witness.
Yes, ma'am.
For the record, what are the amounts spent allegedly? Magkano ang ginastos ng DepEd para mawalan ng terrorist ang mga eskwelahan? 9 million, correct? For the first quarter, can you read?
Based on the documents submitted po, for the counterinsurgency program, 9,375,000 pesos.
For the second quarter,
For the second quarter, 9.3 million pesos.
and for the third quarter.
9.2 million pesos po.
And, pakibasa. Basahin mo lahat.
For the number 2, yung abuse
Total.
prevention.
I'm sorry. Sa second quarter, nasabi mo na.
Can you clarify your question po?
For the first quarter, sinabi mo 9,125,000. Second quarter, magkano?
9.3 million pesos po.
And for the third quarter?
9.2 million pesos.
Okay. Ang total, anong significance nito? Pag in-addition mo lahat, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, at lahat ng activities na sinabi dito na wala naman dokumento, 37 million pumatak per quarter. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Based on the document po, yung total po ay 37.5 million pesos
A fixed amount.
per quarter.
A fixed amount for the first quarter, 37.5, Mr. Witness.
Based on this document po, yes ma'am.
Another fixed amount for the second quarter.
Based on this document po, yes ma'am.
Another fixed amount for the third quarter.
Based on this document po, yes ma'am.
Okay. Sino naman ang pumirma dito? Again, Mr. Witness, na nakalagay approved by.
Ang nakapirma po dito ay si Vice President Sara Duterte.